Get power and speed in an ultra-compact size with the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless quarter-inch hex driver drill kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The tool's variable 2-speed design is ideal for a range of applications. With up to 250 inch-pounds of max torque for drilling, driving, and fastening. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Thanks for checking out the PS32, the Bosch 12-volt max EC brushless 3/8 inch pocket driver. This is a tool itself, the PS32. It features a 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck on the front for quick and easy bit changes. It also has the EC brushless motor, which means it has twice the motor life of its brushed predecessor, as well as being more compact and lighter weight than previous motors, which means this tool is only 6 inches long and 2 pounds, the lightest, most compact in the category. The tool also has 2 speed options, 400 RPM up to 1300 RPM for various applications throughout the day. It has an LED light as well as a belt clip on there for quick and convenient storage. Now, the tool also features a brand new 4x bit tip storage, which means I can actually store 4 different bit tips right on the tool to work with a magnetic bit tip holder on it. Now, the tool also works with our flexible power system, which means it works with our 12-volt max slim pack and fat pack batteries. You can buy the tool as either a bare tool or with slim pack batteries as well. Build your own kit in a combo kit, make whatever works best for you. Now, if you want to learn more about the PS32, check out this page, or learn more about all the different Bosch cordless power tools, including the 12-volt max and Bosch 18-volt lithium ion.